How to duet on TikTok with saved video. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up TikTok. Now save your video. Now open up your Play Store and search for video call ads. Now install this application. After installing, tap on open. Now select video call ads. Now select your layout. Now select your video. Now select the video you downloaded. Now tap on the right box and select your own video. Now tap on next. Now tap on OK. Now wait for the video to export. Now go back to your home screen. Open up TikTok. Tap on the plus icon. Now select your gallery and upload the video. Now tap on next. Now tap on mention and mention the person. Now click on post and that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more sub content. Have a burning question or a suggested topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.